Hey guys, what's going on? If I haven't already shown you guys a lot of intro stuff, welcome back to another video. Today we are at the Badlands Offroad Park in Attica, Indiana. So it's about a 9-hour drive from where we live. So yeah, it was a little bit to get here. Drove here yesterday, which was Sunday. Today's Monday, June 5th, I believe. And we're going to see how this place is. This will be our first time going here. We've seen guys like Pete Hager, Brewer Off-Road, Michael Sabo, they've all been here, and I've really kind of been dying to come here. And we were finally able to kind of make it happen. So we're going to get up here and get entered into the park, and then I'll pick the video back up for you guys. Tubes, Corey, Serpentines, North Dunes. Okay, everything's this way. Sweet. Like I said, I think we're just gonna follow the main roads for a little bit, try and get our bearings, and then later today, if it gets hot, we're gonna go and probably rip the tubes and some other stuff, I guess. So we're looking for the Serpentine, and I'm hoping I'll find a sign that tells me where it's at. So I'm kind of looking around, and I know it's over in here somewhere. C blocks. I think I might have found it. Well, that didn't take too long. Rancher has a flat tire, so Dad's gonna take it to get it fixed. And we're at the Serpentine. So Mom might film, and I'm just gonna try and rip the Serpentine here. See what I can do. Oh, wow. This is insane. Huge whoops, man. Okay, I'm gonna see if we can find some hill climbs or something. I know there's some hills over here. This one. Yep. That one was a little steeper. It is dusty. Dad came back, got tire fixed. What temperature are we at? We're pretty good. Got a bull. Okay, we're at the exit now, as you guys can probably tell. So, we're going to take a ride up here. You guys can probably see the buildings up there. Okay guys, we're headed back in for an after lunch ride. Quite the line of side-by-sides at this place, that's for sure. I think those are all brand new too. Well, you can tell some of them are. They don't even have roll cages on them. Okay, we are trying to find the tubes. I've seen Pete Hager rip this section. Okay, the GoPro battery is at 8%, and Dad just started heading back because that's what we were talking about, and I forgot to change the battery. So if you guys missed something, that would be why. Man, the road's rough. Okay, we're headed to the north gravel pit. Okay, I wanted to film a couple of these, if I can not hit neutral. Wow. I wanted to film some of these berms, so. Okay, I'm going back. They're coming. But I gotta get gas, so I'm kinda gonna roll on out so that I can fill this thing up. Okay guys, we're headed back into the Badlands. This is extended riding hours because we have the off the trail pass. looks a little better. I've been in this one yet. I can't see again. Oh wow, I really can't see now. Okay guys, this concludes day number 1 at Badlands Offroad Park. So it was so far pretty impressed with the place. It's got a lot of infrastructure. You know, it's really nice to have a power sports store right on site and everything. There's a lot of speed limits and stuff, but I'm sure that's all put in because somebody did something that wasn't very smart. But yeah, overall impression's really nice. If you live, we drove 9 hours to get here, so I don't know how soon we'll be coming back, but it's simply just because it's that far of a drive. If you live, I would say anywhere within 5 hours of this place, you got to come check it out. It's in Attica, Indiana. It's a really great place to ride. I've been really impressed with it so far. The only downside is the dust, so if you guys are just coming on a weekday or something, just watch the radar here, and there are videos of guys like Pete Hager and Brewer Off-Road. I believe those are the two guys who did it. They actually were able to ride here right after it rained, and that was great for the gravel sections. If you guys are close after the rain, might be a good time. So we'll see. You can see how dusty everything is just from people driving by. All the stuff at the shop and everything has just got dust all over it. But we're gonna go into town where there's a few restaurants and probably get some supper, and I'll probably start a new video tomorrow morning. I think I'll have enough content to fill in one video today, so this will probably be the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. Well, that's not good. Okay guys, we're about to get really muddy.